All right, gonna do a quick little video here. I've got, just on this road here, I've got the regular beams on. They are LED bulbs. I've got the fog lights are not on, so let me turn. Fog lights are on. Fog lights are off. Regular beams, high beams. I'm gonna turn the high beams so they're on. Fog lights will not go on because I don't have Bambi mode set up. But with these lights on, I can turn on the aux lights and it kind of fills in the area around me a little better. So that's without and with. So it does do a good spot. This is my high beams. This is my low beams right now, with and without the spot or the floods. The floods do fill in a lot of the area around. They don't go that far. When I hit these high beams, oops, I've got them on automatic. It throws that beam out there a ways. So these do fill in a little bit. That's with fog lights, the Rought Country LED bars, and regular beams. So let me, I'm gonna pull into my drive here. Give you an idea what this looks like on my driveway. All right, so I'm gonna turn, this is low beams, no fog lights, high beams. I am at a kind of an angled up here. My driveway is kind of at a slope. This is with the floods, low beams with the floods. Fog lights. Let's see that one again. Fog lights, low beams, floods, turning off the floods, turning off the fog lights. We'll do high beams again, no fog lights because I don't have Bambi mode, and with the floods. So yeah, that does throw out quite a bit of light, quite a bit of a difference.